Since I had enough of this machine, I decided to take care of it and check the brushes. Hopefully they're good. Trying to get the brushes out to have a look at one of them. If I can get one of them out. Beko. Okay. They're long enough. Why would they cause such a thing? They're long enough. I don't know how much are they, but they're long. Literally, they're very long. Nothing wrong with the brushes, seems like. What can be wrong then? No, I don't think it's the other brush. Because I can hear it clicking on the commutator. That's no point in thinking. Oh God. Oh. Black dust. Hopefully it's not on the camera. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah. Yeah. Beko, please be nice and I don't know if this is the normal size of if they are worn. Have no idea. I think they're not worn at all. So just I know how to get it back. So after you do all of that, you put the brush back, you push it in if you can. If you can't, and then you put the bolts back. That's how you do it.